Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen and thank you for subscribing to this channel. Thank you for stopping by to watch my videos, to comment, to share, and everything that you guys are doing for me. I do appreciate it. Okay, I am making fried rice today, so let's get into the ingredient that I use in making my sumptuous fried rice. Okay, I have 2 cups of rice, my soy sauce, my spices, cabbage, spring onions, eggs, onion, carrots, and I'll be adding in peas and anything that you guys want. You can add it. Okay, you can make any addition and subtractions. Okay. Yeah, so I can't wait for this fried rice to be ready. Okay, I have already washed all my vegetables and I have cut them into the size that I want. Please don't go anywhere. Stay in touch and let us prepare this food together. Okay, it'll be really nice. So in my bowl, I'll be adding in my chicken stock. Feel free to use any stock of your choice. Okay, but I prefer chicken. Right, and I'll be adding in my soy sauce. You can get some in Super or Novos or in the warehouse. You can get this soy sauce. I really like this soy sauce because it's very nice and it's thick as well. So it's not like the others that you just pour all of them, but this one you just use small quantity and you are good to go. Okay, so I'll be adding water to it and now add my rice and you continue from there. Okay, so you add a little, maybe 2 teaspoons of oil to it and you now stir. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, I am putting in my washed rice in my pot. Okay, it's very important for you to wash your rice before you cook. Okay, and I'll be adding in quarter teaspoon of salt to cook my rice. Okay, you have to be very careful with salt when making fried rice because the spices that we are using are very salty. So still we are on it, don't go anywhere. Okay, I'm already. I am putting oil in my pot that I am come to use to make the fried rice. Okay, you use any oil of your choice. So I am about to steam my vegetables. So here I will divide my vegetables into 2 and then steam one and the other I will not steam it. Okay, this is a technique that Eve's Kitchen used in making a fried rice to look nice and taste good as well. I've already added in what you are seeing. All right. So I'll be making it like a scrambled eggs, and I'll now add in my rice. Okay. Yeah, I'll now add in my rice. And you allow your rice to cool down before you add it to the eggs. Okay, so after, stir it very fast so that the eggs can spread in the. You continue to stir till the eggs are mixed with the rice. Okay, pacho usu naka mu kan mu ni mu akopin time one. Wow, sha emma. So what I see. So I'll be adding in my pepper. That's the powdered pepper to my rice. Wow. That's my chili pepper that I am adding in there. Okay, to the rice. Add more if you eat a lot of pepper, and reduce it if you don't like pepper. Okay, and continue to stir. So I am adding in my steamed vegetables that I did earlier on. Okay, I'll now mix it with the rice. Right? Say, kitchen oh God, the rice is really nice. Okay, you can try making your own fried rice with this recipe, and trust me, you will not regret watching this video. Okay, the food is very nice. Okay, thank you for watching. All right. At this moment, I'll be adding the fresh vegetables to the rice, and I'll stir. Okay, it'll be on fire for about 30 seconds, and my rice will be ready. Okay, please try making your own at home using this recipe. At this moment, I will taste for the spices if it's okay for me, and I have tasted for the spices. It's perfectly fine for me. But if you taste it and you need more spices, please add. Okay, and you have to be careful with the spices, as I told you earlier on. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for stopping by. I am very much grateful to you all. Please kindly share, like, and comment. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, so about to eat the rice with my friends. Just look at the color of the rice. Very nice. See you next time with another recipe. Bye.